Good morning, first PUC students. Yesterday, what did we discuss? Sin theta by limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is equal to 1. The very important theorem. Okay, compulsory theorem. Next, go to the next topic. Derivatives. Limits topic completed. Next, go to the derivatives. Derivatives. Suppose f is a real valued function. Suppose f is a, f means function, f is a real valued function f is a real valued function and a is a point and a is a point in its domain. Once again, suppose f is a real valued function and a small is nothing but extends to a. This is a is a point in its domain of definition. So f is a real valued function and a is a point in its domain of definition. So the derivative of f at a, the derivative of f at a is defined as, the derivative of f at a is defined by limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a by h. This is the, provided this limit exists, provided this limit exists, provide this limit exists. Derivative of f of x, derivative of f of x at a is f dash of a, derivative of f of x at a with respect to at a is denoted by f dash of a, f dash of a. Okay, what is the derivative definition? Suppose f is a real valued function, and small a is a point in its domain of definition. Next, the derivative of f at a is defined as limit h tends to 0 f of a plus x minus f of a by h, provided this limit exists. The limit, this is that limit exists. That limit exists means that limit has defined. Exist means that limit derivative exists. Limit exists means this is the derivative exists. So f dash of a. Next, definition 2. Let f be a, suppose f is a real valued function f is a real valued function. F is a real valued function. The function defined by limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h, f of x plus h minus f of x by h, where the limit exists is defined to be, where the limit exists is defined to be derivative of derivative of x and is denoted by f dash of x. This definition of derivative, this definition of derivative is also called the first principle of derivative. First principle of derivative. First principle of derivative. So that is f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Sometimes f dash of x is denoted by d by dx of f of x, or if y is equal to f of x, it is denoted by dy by dx. ORR y1, ORR y dash, ORR derivative of y. Okay. Next, algebra of derivatives. Algebra of derivatives of functions. Now f of x and g of x are two functions of two functions of variable x, the first one is d by dx of f of x plus g of x is equal to, already limit algebra of limits also completed. Which one? Limit of f of x plus g of x is equal to limit f of x something. Okay, d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of g of x. Next, second one, d by dx of f of x minus g of x is equal to d by dx of f of x minus d by dx of g of x. Third one, d by dx of lambda into f of x is equal to, constant separate, lambda into d by dx of f of x, where lambda is a parameter, Next, d by dx of f of x into g of x is equal to f of x into d by dx of g of x plus g of x into d by dx of f of x. Next, fifth one, d by dx of f of x by g of x is equal to g of x whole square into g of x into d by dx of f of x minus f of x into d by dx of g of x. Okay. Formulas. First one, d by dx of constant, d by dx of constant is equal to 0, d by dx of constant to 0. Next, d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Next, d by dx of constant to algebraic, d by dx of log x, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x, log x to the base e. Next, logarithmic function, exponential function, d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x, d by dx of a power x is equal to a power x into log a. Next, d by dx of algebra logarithmic exponentials, inverse logarithmics, algebraic, trigonometric. Next, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x, derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x, derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x, derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. This is the main formula. So trigonometric, algebraic, exponential, inverse pattern. Next, derivative of u into v dash plus v into u dash, derivative of u by v is equal to v square v into u dash minus u into v dash. d by dx of u plus v is equal to u dash plus v dash. d by dx of u minus v is equal to u dash minus v dash. d by dx of k into u is equal to k into u dash. d by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. d by dx of x is equal to 1. d by dx of x is equal to 1. root x 1 by x x power n. d by dx of 1 is constant. d by dx of constant is equal to 0, derivative of constant. Next to 1 by x root x sin x d by dx of x square is equal to 2x. d by dx of x square is equal to 2x. d by dx of x power 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. So x power 1 by 2. d by dx of x power minus 10 that is equal to minus 10 into x power minus 11. Next, d by dx of log ax equal to a by x. log x derivative 1 by x. Also 1 by x. d by dx of e power ax is equal to a into e power ax. d by dx of sin ax. d by dx of sin ax is equal to a into cos ax. d by dx of cos ax. d by dx of cos ax is equal to minus a sin ax. d by dx of tan ax that is equal to a into secant square ax. d by dx of cot ax. d by dx of minus a into cosecant square ax. d by dx of secant ax that is a into secant ax into tan ax. So d by dx of cosecant ax. So So minus a into cosecant ax into cot ax. Okay, once again, first of all derivative. Suppose f is a real valued function and small a is a point in its domain of definition. A is always its domain, belongs to its domain. The derivative of f at a is defined as, this is derivative of f at a is defined as, this is the derivative of f at a. At a means this is a. Limit h tends to 0, f of a plus x minus f of x by h. Provide this limit exists ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, so without exist means the derivative does not exist. Same, limit exist means that limit value is exist. Exist means should not become internal symbols. Internal symbols ಬರಬಾರದು. internal symbol ಬಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 0/0, infinity. So compulsory limit exist means that value is defined value. Defined value means that limit exists. Here also derivative, when exists derivative, that limit value existable value in terminal symbols 0/0, delta by delta, limit by infinity, 0/0, that values should not be come. Okay, so next term, this is the real, this is also derivative of f at a. Next one, derivative of at x, derivative of at x with respect to x. Suppose f is a real valued function, the function defined by, this is the function. So here x instead of a. So x plus x minus f of x by h, where the limit exists is defined to the derivative of x and is denoted by f dash of x. This definition of derivative is also called the first principle of derivative. The formula, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h is called the first principle of derivative. So actually f of x is a function. This function derivative is denoted by, so the derivative of f of x is denoted by, f of x is a function, the derivative of f of x, the derivative of f of x is denoted by so many types. F of x derivative, f dash of x, the derivative of f of x is denoted by f dash of x, one dash means one time derivative, 2 dash means 2 time derivatives, f dash of x. So it denoted by derivative of f of x, f dash of x, and derivative of f of x, d by dx of f of x. The derivative of f of x is denoted by f dash of x or d by dx of f of x, or y is equal to, for example, the f of x is taken y means dy by dx, f dash of x, d by dx of f of x, dy by dx, y1, y dash, capital D of y, anyone is equal, anyone is called derivative of function, derivative of f of x. The derivative of f of x is denoted by f dash of x, dy dx of f of x. For example, y is equal to f of x means dy by dx, y1, y dash, or capital D of y, Algebraic functions. F of x and e of x are two functions. So derivative of d by dx means derivative with respect to x. d by dx means the derivative of the function with respect to x. The derivative of the function with respect to x. With respect to x. Two functions in between plus means separated by the plus. Derivative of first function plus derivative of second function. Minus derivative of first function minus derivative of second function. So in the limits also, derivative of limit in the algebraic limits, limit of f of x into g of x is equal to limit of f of x into limit of g of x. So here in the derivatives, derivative of f of x into g of x is equal to, not directly derivative of f of x into derivative of f of g of x. It is not correct. So first f of x into derivative of g of x plus g of x into derivative of f of x. Next, derivative of f of x by g of x. First denominator g of x whole square. First g of x into derivative of f of x minus f of x into derivative of g of x. This is the algebraic of functions. This is the derivative, some fundamental formulas up to 16 fundamental formulas. This is compulsory, very useful, very useful in the problems. So each and every one is perfect. Up to 16 formulas, everyone must be perfect, because the total in the derivative total problems, every line is depending on the formula. So derivative of constant is equal to, derivative constant means what? X with respect to x, that function yx, these two are not a constant, remaining all constants without x and y. Constant means what? X without x and y, remaining any one is a constant. For example, a, b, c, 1, 2, 3, l, m, n. Only x, y are not constants. X and y are not constant, because with respect to x means x is not a constant. The function, the f of x will be taken y. Function y anedi function. So adike adu constant alla. X with respect to x, derivative with respect to x. Derivative with respect to x means x is not a constant. The remaining any one is a constant. So derivative of constant is equal to 0. Derivative of 1, derivative of 2, derivative of a, derivative of b, b, c, d, l, m, n, 200, 1000, 1 lakh, any one is totally 0. Okay. Next, derivative of x power n, formula n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. Derivative of e power x, derivative of a power x into log a. Derivative of sin x, cos x minus sin x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of tan x, secant square x, cot x minus cosecant square x, secant x, cosecant x. This is u into v formula. These are both are same. In the algebra derivatives, 4th one no 5th one no. Here also 12th to 13th same. F of x into g of x. Here u into v. U is equal to f of x. V is equal to g of x. U into v formula. This is simply u into v formula. What is u into formula? U into v dash. U same plus derivative of v plus v into u dash. U by v, u plus v, this one. So this is some applications. Root x, derivative of root x to x power 3 by 2. So these all are you have to perfect. Tomorrow I will explain some model problems, some applications, formula applications. Explain once again. This is also same. Okay, so the totally perfect. So tomorrow I will explain first to. Tomorrow all are up to 16 formulas we have to perfect. After that I will explain some application of formulas. X power n, no, n is a constant. How to find out derivative of x square? derivative of x power 10, this is also this type. How to come? Derivative of x square is equal to 2x. Derivative of x square is equal to 2x. Derivative of x is equal to 1. Derivative 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. This is how to come. Okay, how to come I will explain tomorrow. So some applications and start the exercise. Okay, thank you.